Artificial intelligence has been a buzzword for years, capturing the imagination of tech enthusiasts and industry experts alike. But recent advancements in natural language processing have taken AI to new heights, giving rise to powerful language models like Chatgpt. This cutting-edge technology is profoundly impacting society and transforming various industries. It has piqued the interest of Charlie Munger, the renowned investor and vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway. In this video, you'll dive into the far-reaching implications of Chatgpt, examining its influence on society and exploring how it is reshaping different sectors. Charlie Munger's unique perspective on AI will also be explored as we analyze its potential to replace certain human functions. So what does Charlie Munger think about Chatgpt?
I think artificial intelligence is very important, but there's also a lot of crazy hype on the subject. Artificial intelligence is not going to cure cancer. It's not going to do everything that we want done. And there's a lot of nonsense in it too. So I regard it as a mixed blessing, all this artificial intelligence.
Charlie Munger, the seasoned investor and vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, has weighed in on the topic of artificial intelligence, including his thoughts on Chatgpt. While he acknowledges the importance of artificial intelligence, he also points out that there is a fair share of overhyped expectations surrounding it. Why does Charlie Munger think Chatgpt is overhyped? One of the critical concerns is the vulnerability to bias. Like any AI system, Chatgpt responses are influenced by the data it is trained on. If the training data contains biases, these biases can be reflected in the AI outputs. OpenAI, the developer of Chatgpt, has taken steps to mitigate bias, but it remains a limitation. Biases can be introduced due to human error, sample bias, societal influences, and historical data, among other factors. For instance, Meta shut down Galactica, a language learning model similar to Chatgpt, after 3 days of training because it spread racial and misleading information, highlighting the risk of AI being open to the public without proper safeguards. Another concern is the need for more clarity about how Chatgpt operates. The AI model's internal workings could be more transparent, and there may be challenges in ensuring it is used for the greater good. The risk of potential harm increases as AI systems become more complex and are applied to critical tasks, such as medical diagnosis or self-driving cars. Incomplete design or usage of AI systems could lead to accidents or harmful judgments. For instance, an autonomous vehicle using an AI system might fail to recognize an obstacle, leading to an accident, or an AI-powered medical diagnosis system might misidentify a patient if not trained on diverse data. Munger expresses that AI is not a magic cure for all of humanity's problems, stating that it will not be the solution to curing cancer or fulfilling every desire we have. In his characteristic no-nonsense style, he labels some of the claims about AI as mere hype and nonsense. This perspective from a renowned figure like Munger serves as a reality check amid AI advancement's excitement. While AI has undoubtedly shown remarkable progress and is transforming various industries, Munger reminds us that it has limitations. It is crucial to approach AI with a balanced perspective and not fall victim to excessive enthusiasm or unrealistic expectations. As with any emerging technology, there are pros and cons to consider. Charlie Munger regards artificial intelligence as a mixed blessing. On the one hand, AI holds tremendous potential to drive innovation, enhance efficiency, and improve our lives in numerous ways. On the other hand, the hype surrounding AI can lead to unwarranted expectations and disappointment if it fails to deliver on those grand promises. A spokesperson for Daily Journal Corporation, a company of which Charlie Munger serves as vice chairman, and with which he has been associated for many years, acknowledges the significance of AI and how it has piqued their interest. The corporation has been experimenting with AI for specific types of writing and articles since the summer, while the spokesperson emphasizes that AI is not yet ready for complex work, they express enthusiasm about its potential impact on routine activities.
Through the lens of Daily Journal Corporation, AI is something that we started experimenting with in the summer for certain types of writing of certain types of articles. And it's something we're certainly tracking very closely. I think in terms of complex work, I think it's a long way off. But for many types of activities, especially routine things, I think it'll be fascinating to see how disruptive it is over a relatively short time horizon for many types of work and activities.
AI is still in its early stages and may not be suitable for handling intricate tasks that demand human expertise and creativity. However, the spokesperson recognizes that AI can potentially disrupt routine activities over a relatively short time. This suggests that they closely monitor AI development and its potential to revolutionize certain business operations. The spokesperson's stance reflects a balanced perspective on AI capabilities. While recognizing the limitations in its current state, they acknowledge the transformative potential AI holds for automating routine tasks and streamlining various activities. AI's ability to handle repetitive and predictable tasks efficiently could save time and resources for more complex, human-driven work. As Daily Journal Corporation keeps a watchful eye on AI advancements, they are likely exploring opportunities to integrate AI into their processes to complement and enhance their existing operations. By leveraging AI strengths in certain areas, they can optimize workflow and deliver content or services more efficiently. As I conclude this journey into the world of artificial intelligence and the impact of Chatgpt, I hope you found this exploration insightful and thought-provoking. The advancements in AI, particularly in natural language processing, are reshaping how you interact with technology and transforming various industries. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest developments in AI, technology, and more. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an exciting video on the cutting-edge innovations that shape our world. I value your feedback and ideas, so please leave your thoughts and comments below. Let's continue this fascinating conversation together as we navigate the future of AI and its profound influence on our civilization. Thank you for joining today, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of AI and its ever-expanding possibilities.